Speak human. It's a garden hose. It's literally the exact same size as a garden hose, dude. We made it fit, bro. Garden hose.
What is up, guys? Today we're blowing up the Miata.
So the plan is run it from here to the intake. Oh,
that's homemade. That's, you know what that is? That's exhaust pipe. Yo, Ian.
Doesn't it go in?
You want to
more?
clamp it? There it goes.
Yeah, there we go. Tighten her down. Tighten her down, fire her up.
All right, so let's explain a little bit. So we have a bottle of nitrous that Jay has provided from his truck. We figured out a garden hose that fits directly to the bottle. We run that all the way up to the intake. Put it straight through the homemade, whatever this thing is. And then essentially all we're gonna do is rev limiter and open the bottle. Is that what we wanna do? Rev limiter, open the bottle? I figured it.
I mean, are we gonna try to warm it up or no? Don't even.
We're gonna have to hope that the hose stays inside the intake, but we're just gonna have to give her a test shot real quick.
Okay, well let's see if it works.
All right.
Well, it should. I mean, it should run.
Hold on.
Let me turn it.
Let's see if the car runs first.
It should run.
Yeah, we have to see if the car runs with the math the way it is right
I'll
now.
just cut up my perfect water hose. I'm just kidding. It already had a hole in it. Dude, you got so much valve noise in here. Like,
6-minute burnout.
that burnout literally ruined this car.
Put a link to that video. 6-minute
Well,
burnout.
not
It was
this.
like 4 minute.
It's actually gonna be over there.
burnout?
It'll be over here.
3 minute.
4,
It
5.
was like 5-minute burnout.
A lot.
Okay, so it runs. Do we want to see if the nitrous works, or do we want to just do it?
Well, we could crack it a little bit and just test.
Crack it and see.
That was $12.
It's already cold.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's leaking.
It's not going.
Uh-oh.
We've got a leak.
Uh-oh.
Hold on.
Tape it.
Yeah. Trying to make it look pretty.
Let's start this hoe up and let's do it.
All right.
Very interested to see what's about to happen. Are you still shooting? Are you still shooting?
No, we're out.
You're out.
It took it.
It took all of it.
Took it.
It took all of it?
Half a
took
bottle.
it.
You're joking.
Did you? Okay, so you didn't see, but there was at least like a 2-foot flame every.
Yeah,
single
like-
pop.
Dude, I
Like,
told you.
Bum,
I told you it was gonna.
I
take
can't
You
believe it
cannot
just took
kill
it.
this thing.
This thing really is
You
sick,
cannot
bro.
kill this thing.
All right, we need more nitrous.
Oh, we don't.
Dude, we need more nitrous,
cannot
bro.
believe it just took
what?
that, bro.
Oh my gosh.
So do we scrap the LS and then we just build this thing, or no?
Figure out a way to blow it up, dude.
No, I think we need 3 bottles of nitrous and
Dude, the
3
tone
garden
definitely
hoses.
changed, though.
Oh yeah.
Like halfway
no.
through, the
Oh,
tone
yeah.
changed. It sounded like it wasn't running on every cylinder.
I mean, I definitely felt 500 horsepower coming out that tailpipe.
I think we're all baffled here that it just took all of that. A bottle of nitrous and it.
We've got a little more valve noise.
We don't talk about the valve.
We've got a lot more valve noise. ride is so rough. It's driving. Why'd you do that?
Dude, that was it.
No, it wasn't.
Dude, that was it.
No, it was not.
Dude, it just died.
No, that was the clutch. Oh,
no!
Come
It
on.
can be killed.
Come on.
I'm sorry for rough toast.
Come on. Give it some gas, man.
I'm giving it
Are you
gas.
out of gas?
No, I ain't out of... Okay, we might be out of gas.
Oh, dude.
And then it ran out right there.
Okay, so we either ran out of gas or...
We ran out of nitrous.
No, right
You
now,
ran
like
out of
currently.
gas?
You ran out of gas.
I was literally driving. I was driving and it just hit.
Well, mind you did do a burnout on that tank of gas that like we just kind of left. And then you put octane booster in it. Did you even put more fuel in?
No.
Yo, that's why.
What?
There's no map.
Hey, yo, I know why it's not running.
How about you
Oh.
look at this? Oh.
The map fell off? I thought about that, but I didn't want to say it because I didn't. Oh,
There's a dog.
yo, it blew the entire, like.
When you, yeah, it just had no map.
Yeah. Well, I mean, nothing's going to run without a map.
And then mind you, also this happened. It don't look too bad, but it did happen.
You can't kill a Miata. At least this one. You can't kill the Donk Miata.
First try. You ought to give it one last limiter bash.